Today, let's see a playful activity to understand multiplication as a repeated addition of the same number. The material required for this activity is we need 3 balls and we need colored beads. To perform this activity, we will consider these 3 balls as a 3 different place units of a number. Let this particular bowl represent units place. The bowl left to the unit will be the tens place, and let this be the hundreds place representation. The example which we are taking in order to understand multiplication as a repeated addition is 67 into 5. For the units place, let us use this orange color bits. For the tens place, let us use this red color bits and the green color for the hundreds place. Let us now first represent 67 using color beads. So to represent 67, let us first take the units place number, that is 7. I am counting 7 orange color beads. So I am going to place it in the bowl which is representing the units place. Now it's time for the tens place, that is the number 6. So I'll count the number 6. So I will put it in the bowl which represents the tens place. So here the number 67 representation is done. So in order to carry out the repeated addition process, I have to add 67 again to this particular number. So let us add 67 again. So for the units place, I have to add 7 more beads, that is of orange color. So I have taken the 7 beads of orange color and I am placing it in the units place bowl. So if I count the total number of beads in the units place, it will be equal to 14 beads of orange color. Now if I go with the tens place, I have to add 6 more red color beads. So I am counting the 6 red color beads here, and if I add it to the tens place bowl, the total number of beads in the tens place will be 12. In any of these particular bowl, if there are more than 10 beads, then we'll consider that 10 beads as 1 bead of the higher place value. For example, if in the tens place, if there is more than 10 orange color bead, then I can say that the 10 unit will give me 1 tens. So to do that particular thing, to understand it, let's go ahead here. So in the units place, there are 14 orange color beads. So I will take the 10 orange color beads from it. So I have taken the 10 orange color bead here. This particular 10 unit orange color bead is equal to 110 red color bead. So I will be replacing this 10 orange color beads with the 1 red color bead, and the important thing to remember here is I have to put it in the tens place. So I am putting this 1 red color bead in the tens place. Now if I count how many red color beads are there, there are 13 red color beads. So again the count is more than 10. So I can take out the 10 red color bead here. So I am taking out 10 red color bead. So there are 10 red color bead. These 10 tens will give me 100 value. So it will be equal to 100. So the 100 is represented by this green color. So this 10 tens of red color, I will replace it with the higher place value of 100, that is 100. So I will put this 1 green color bead in the hundreds place value. So now if I count how many beads are there in with respect to the place value, 100 place value has 1 bead, tens place value has 3 bead, and the units place value has 4 bead. So the addition of 67 2 times will give me 134. Now it's time for us to add 67 more, that is the third time. So I have to add 7 orange color bead now in the units place. So I'm adding 7. And then next it's the time to add 6 red color bead in the tens place. So I'm adding the 6 red color bead. Now if I count how many beads are there with respect to the place value in each bowl, then the orange color bead will be 11 in the number. So again it is more than 10. I can take out a group of 10 from this. So I am just taking out the group of 10. 10 units will give me 110. So I am replacing this 10 orange color bead with 1 red color bead. Now if I count how many red color beads are there, it is equal to 10 actually. So I can take out whole of these 10 color bead. So this 10 color beads I am removing it out, replacing it with 100 color bead, that is green color. So now if we count how many beads are there in each bowl with respect to the place value, then there are 2 beads in the hundreds place value, 0 bead in the tens place value, and 1 bead in the units place value. So the sum of adding 67 3 times will give me 201 or 201. Now let us add 67 again, that is 4th time. So for the units place I have to add 7 orange color bead. So let's add 7 orange color bead here and 6 red color bead in the tens place. Now let us count if there is any more than 10 beads in each place value. So if I see here in the units place, the total beads will be 8, and in the tens place the total beads is 6, and definitely in the hundreds place value there is only 2 beads. So there is no group of 10 or more than 10 in any of this place value, so there is no need to shift the beads to the higher place value. Now it's time for us to add 67 for the last time, that is the 5th time. So 7 beads in the units place and 6 beads of red color in the tens place. Now let us count if there is any more than 10 of any of this particular bowl. So if I see the units place and count, then it is going to be 15 orange color beads. So it's greater than 10. So I have to take a group of 10 orange color beads here and replace it with 1 red color bead. So I will take out the 10 orange color bead. I have taken out the 10 orange color bead and I am replacing it with 1 red color bead here. Now if I count how many red color beads are there, there are 13 red color beads. So this 10 color beads I am removing it out, replacing it with 100 color bead, that is green color. So I am going to place it in the hundreds place bowl. So finally if you count how many beads are there in each bowl with respect to their place value, then in the hundreds place there are 3, in the tens place there are 3, and in the units place there are 5. So the total addition or the number that we get by repeated addition of 67 5 times is 335. So 67 into 5 will also give us 335.